Hello everyone, 3BI here. So today we are focusing on the end function, and the end function, as it states, is a logical function that returns the argument once all conditions are met to be true or false. What do I mean? So let's quickly go onto an example. So here I have the names of students and their scores for examinations, and I want to know if the students came to sit for the examination by reason of their scores that have been entered into. So this is one thing I'll do. First of all, I come to column D, input the column there, then I input the function or the formula that says and if C16 is greater than 0% and the same C16 is less than or equal to 100, it should return the argument for the formula, which is true, meaning the person has sat for the examination. But this is just one condition that I run throughout all. So when you come to cell C17, you see NA, not applicable, not available, and the condition it returns is false. And the condition it returns is false. That's so it tells me that the person did not sit for the examination. But there is a much more intuitive function that is called nested function. That is a combination of two or more function as one, and that nested function works with if. So we are going ahead to learn about the if function even though we are on the end function. So what does the if function say? So this is what the if function says. The if function says if the condition, that is my end function, is true, it should return a value if true, and the value I told it to return if true is, in quote, it should tell me that that person sat for the exams. And if the condition I set is false, it should tell me that person was not available. So you could see from Ame's end that she was not available, and as such the remark for her was not available to write that examination. So this is one practical way you could go about your work to check and make certain conditions so as it will make your data sorting very easy and very understandable.